It's loud, it's bold, and it's back. The legend has returned and it's not playing nice. Before we fire up this modern muscle beast, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you live for roaring V8s, retro curves, and futuristic aggression. Now, let's hit the gas on the 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle.
I just wish he knew.
Let's start at the front. The 2026 Chevelle makes a jaw-dropping entrance with an ultra-aggressive face. You're immediately greeted by quad LED headlights that nod to the classic 70s styling, but with a hyper-modern twist. The grille, massive, bold, and unapologetically muscular, with a glowing Chevy emblem floating in the center like a badge of honor. Below it, the sculpted front splitter and aerodynamic fins hint at serious performance. And that hood? A raised scoop channels airflow and attitude right into your face. It's a modern predator dressed in retro armor. Moving to the side, the profile screams retro muscle. The long hood, short rear deck, and aggressive stance echo the original Chevelle's DNA, but everything is cranked up to 11. Massive gold-finished performance wheels, wrapped in performance tires with white letter branding, tucked tightly under wide flared fenders. The body lines are razor-sharp, blending futuristic curves with a vintage silhouette. And the details, like the flush-mounted side mirrors and sculpted rocker panels, add layers of modern craftsmanship. This isn't a tribute, it's a rebirth. From the rear, the Chevelle closes the show with a mix of nostalgia and edge. The twin dual-ring LED taillights are a clear homage to the Chevelles of the past, but they glow with modern intensity. A subtle lip spoiler and blacked-out trim line the trunk, while dual-chrome exhaust tips peek out from beneath the bumper ready to unleash hell. The black racing stripe that runs through the car from nose to tail gives it a unified, menacing look that commands attention, even at a standstill.
I just wish he knew.
What powers this reborn legend? While official specs are still locked behind the vault doors at Chevrolet HQ, insider leaks point to a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine, likely a variation of the LT4, pushing over 650 horsepower. That's Corvette Z06 level brutality, stuffed into a muscle car body. Expect 0-60 times in the low 3-second range and a thunderous soundtrack to match. There are also rumors of a hybrid-assisted version coming later, blending torque and tech without sacrificing that growl. Whether it's raw gas or electric-boosted madness, the Chevelle's engine is all about domination. Step inside and the theme of modern muscle continues. The cabin is driver-focused, wrapped in premium leather with carbon fiber accents. A digital cockpit replaces traditional gauges, but the layout keeps the spirit of analog alive with deep bezels and bold graphics. Expect a massive center touchscreen running Chevy's latest infotainment suite, complete with wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and performance telemetry. Bucket seats with bold stitching, ambient lighting, and customizable drive modes give it a sports car vibe, but with the nostalgia of the Chevelle lineage. Now for the question on everyone's mind, how much? Chevrolet hasn't announced official pricing, but estimates place the base V8 variant around $55,000, with high-performance trims pushing past $70,000. That's a premium, yes, but this isn't just a car. It's a rolling tribute to American muscle history, engineered for a new era. For enthusiasts and collectors alike, that price might be a bargain.
I just wish he knew.
The 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle isn't just a car, it's a statement. It captures everything we loved about the golden age of muscle and injects it with 21st century power, design, and tech. It's not here to play catch-up, it's here to lead the pack. So what do you think? Is this the revival muscle fans have been begging for? Or is it something even more? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more next-gen car reveals, reviews, and deep dives. Thanks for watching.